some slime?
Yeah.
All right, let's open it. Oh wow, that's cool. Look at the back. Look how much stuff you can do with it.
I want to do glitter.
You ready to make some slime?
Yeah.
All right, let's
I
open
want to
it.
do this one. I want to do this one glue and this one glue.
Okay. You gonna get all the stuff out and put it on the table? Wow, look, we got colorful little balls you can put in the slime. This one's to make snow. Can you tell me the colors of these?
Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Good job. All right, let's see here. We got a stirring stick, we got a spoon, some instructions, some glue, some clear glue, measuring cup. The instructions, follow these 4 rules. Do not eat the slime. You don't want to do that or any of the ingredients. Be careful not to splash any of the solution in your eyes. Yeah, that would hurt, don't you think? Wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after each use. That way the germs don't get on there, right? Get mixed all together and stuff. Be sure to cover your work area as making slime can be a bit messy. You don't want to make a big mess, do you? No. Okay, so we're gonna pour in this into this cup so it's easier for us to get the spoon out. So let's pour this in there. First we need to put in 1 spoon level. Okay, Ava, first you gotta pour 1 spoonful into the bowl, okay? Now we gotta add 90 mLs of hot water into the bowl. So I'm gonna pour it in there, okay? And you're gonna dump it into the bowl, the big bowl. 2. Now 1 more. Okay, stir all together. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's put the spoon right here. Move this bowl to the side, because now we gotta put, okay, in a separate cup, add 15 mLs of white glue to 25 mLs of warm water. Okay, look, Ava, I'm gonna pour 15 in there. Okay, now I need you to dump this into the bowl. Here you go. Now, I gotta measure it to 25 mLs of warm water. All right. Now stir it. Stir that with your little stick. Yep, stir it all up. Okay, now we gotta add just a little bit of this stuff. Okay, stir the glue bowl. A little bit at a time. Keep stirring. Ooh, look, it's turning into slime. You see that? Look. Wow, keep stirring. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It turned into slimy stuff. Wow. You wanna add just a little bit more? Let's add a little bit more. Just a tad bit more. Now we gotta add 5 more different bowls so that way we can make a lot of colorful different slime. For this one, for the clear, we gotta add 1 spoonful. We gotta add 3 cups of water. Okay, now we gotta stir it. Here you go, here's your stirring spoon. Okay, now in a separate bowl, we gotta add 7 mLs of clear glue to 30 mLs of room temperature water. Now we gotta pour some glue inside of here. Okay, now we gotta pour just a little bit more. Okay, now we gotta add water in here. We gotta put 30 mLs of water. Here. So now we gotta pour the glue mix. You ready to pour it in there, Ava?
Yeah.
Slowly do it though, okay? Look at all those bubbles in the glue. You see that? That's cool. Okay, now let's pour this into here, okay? You got it? Let's hurry up and get all this glue back into the glue bowl. Look, Ava, look.
I want
Wow. Huh? Here. So, we made clear slime. Did your slime just fart?
Yeah.
Do it again, that was funny. We're gonna make a colorful slime. Now I need you to pour 30 in here. Just pour a little bit. There you go, that's enough. Holy moly. Wow. So cool, Ave. You want to add some silver in there?
Yeah.
Good job. And you do want to add glue? Okay, we'll add some glue too. All right. Now stir it all together. Here, I'll hold it. All right, now we gotta add a spoonful of the solution and put it in there so that way it'll turn to slime. Look at your slime, that's so pretty. Stretch it. Wow, that's awesome. Look at it. We made this one and this one. Which one's your favorite?
This one and this one.
You like them both? You can make many more creations with this stuff.
Look like that.
Yeah.
This one.
I played with this one? Okay. Hey, so did you like the slime?
Yeah. Bye guys.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say please like and subscribe.